Once upon a time, there was a tiny squirrel, and he had a best buddy, a fox. They were a little bit alike in looks, and their hobbies were almost the same. Their hobbies were simple: eating, reading, and taking naps. The fox loved to talk, a lot. If you eat that much, you'll end up getting chubby. Whoa! Don't drink too much of this stuff. Everything the fox said made sense to the little squirrel. You are right! Then one day, a little peddler rolled into the village.
Fireworks for sale! Fireworks for sale!
What even are fireworks? What are them? They had no idea. They'd never seen them before.
All you gotta do is light the fuse, then you'll get to see the biggest and prettiest flowers ever.
The fox bought one, and the little squirrel bought one too.
Today's deal: buy 2, get 1 free.
All happy and grinning, the fox found an empty, open area. The fox went ahead and lit his firework. Tons of little critters, monkeys, giraffes, little ducks, and more flocked over. Super beautiful. Your turn, little squirrel. It's my very own firework. I'm gonna watch it all by myself. The little squirrel ducked into the tent. Inside the tent, pop, 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 the little squirrel lit the firework. The little squirrel's fur got all burnt. Obviously, that was a bad idea. There's one firework left, and everyone is waiting eagerly with their eyes glued to it. This is ours. Don't show it to anyone else, Bulan. The little squirrel pulled the little fox away. Is there nobody here? No one's around here, right? Are you tired, little squirrel? They made it to the desert, and there's nobody here. The little squirrel lit the firework happily. Wow! It's even more beautiful than during the day. No one will see this. Or so they thought. Turns out, lots of little animals followed them here. And they all got to see the beautiful firework.